This is Dean and welcome to Photo Blue. Today I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to change the directory preview image in ON1 Photo RAW. So I'm in a directory here where there are a bunch of folders, and by default ON1 will actually put the first image that's in the folder as the preview image. So what you can do to change this is go into the folder. In this case, I'm going to change this third one right here because it's just a picture of my shadow on the pavement. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to pick an image that I would like to represent the folder better, so that I can remember what the stuff is in it, or maybe it's a very important image in the shoot. So I'm going to just take this image right here. I'm going to right click on it, and you'll see there's a selection here, Set Directory Preview. So we click on that. And so then when we go back up a folder level, you'll see it's changed the image. And so that's how you can change the preview image on ON1 Photo RAW. I'm Dean, and this has been Photo Blue, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.